Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about something you may didn't know you need. Have you ever wished there was no need to worry about turning off lights in a double switch light control system like a hallway or something, but instead the lights would go off automatically after a set time delay? Wished to make your home a little smarter without bringing a glorified spyware in your house? If you answered yes to any of these questions or just got curious, keep on watching. First things first, electricity is dangerous and can kill you. If you're not sure what this video is about, consult with an electrician. If you're not sure about electrical safety or correct wiring in your particular application, hire an electrician. This video is for informational purposes only and is not intended as an instruction or call for action. Following all federal and local electrical codes is responsibility of the electrician performing the work. Okay, now that we got the important stuff out of the way, let us take a closer look at components necessary to complete this time-off delay system. We got a 3-way switch, a 4-way switch, timer relay, and the light bulb. Not all timer relays will work for this application. This timer relay has many functions to choose from, but we only need the one called delay on make/break. In essence, the output relay is energized or de-energized following the state of the trigger signal with set time delay. Perfect, that's what we need. The way to wire up the system very closely resembles a 3-switch, 1-lamp system. But instead of third manual switch, the relay contact is used. Trigger signal is taken from normally closed contact of the relay. Initially, the trigger signal in this example is energized and the light bulb is on. When this takes place, the relay's internal timer starts and, upon elapsing, switches the contact, turning off the light bulb. When any of the manual switches are flipped, the trigger gets de-energized, which starts the timer again, and when time is up, the relay's contact switches, and so on and on and on. Let's talk about some advantages and disadvantages of this system. Well, first and foremost obvious advantage is convenience of not having to remember to turn the lights off. Second, it's done old school without an AI spyware in your home or any other accounts, consents, or subscriptions. And I am not even counting the feeling of tremendous satisfaction from seeing the system work every time a switch is flipped. The disadvantages are the need to have a separate electrical box for the relay, preferably with DIN rail in it, as well as having to pull an extra wire to power up the relay. For some people, having to hire an electrician for this might be a major disadvantage too. I hope you found this video informative, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.